part of editing your site. In the past, you didn't have to worry about this. Now you will. You will have access to both 428 and Clark and Alley Foundation inside of your Flywheel dashboard. Whenever you want to update, you have to log into Flywheel. You have to go to Advanced and you have to check the development mode and turn it on. The reason why you have to turn this on is because if this here is not on, when you make changes on your site, it's not gonna actually, that you won't be able to see the change take effect when you hit update. You won't see it on your phone because your site gets saved to cache, and you're gonna have to refresh like 5 or 6 times before you could see the actual change. And then whenever you're done developing the site, you always turn this back off. Just like me, I just got finished updating your site, so I want to turn it off because if it's not on, if it's not off, your site is in development mode, which means there's no cache. Every time anyone goes to the site, everything loads from scratch. So you should always be like this. Development mode should always be off. Staging, let me disable staging, should always be off. So everything here except for one thing should be off, and I'll tell you what it is. So all I want you to remember is this: anytime you're making changes to the site and you want to see that those changes take effect right away, you turn on, the first thing you do is turn on development mode. And this applies for both of your websites or any websites you have. You always turn on the development mode, and when you're done making the changes, you disable. Sometimes when it's loading like this, you don't have to wait. Just, you can refresh, you can leave. It usually takes about a minute for it to turn on and off, but that's how you do that.